I'm seasoning these burgers tonight with salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder, and a splash of paprika. Watch here how I'm using the onion rings as my burger rings. Fill those onions tight and pack them firmly, then flip them over and you'll get a perfect looking burger. Once cooked, you can actually remove those onions and then chop them up to add them directly on your burger or keep them intact just like I have here. You may have noticed I added a little bit more seasoning. I'm toasting up those buns, I'm adding some cheese, and I've cooked some mushrooms. Construction time now. I'm going old school tonight. Mustard, ketchup, lettuce, tomatoes, and loads of pickles. Uh-oh, that burger tower is starting to lean. Houston, we may have a problem. There's a burger tower champion right there. Stay there. Like in Rocky IV, don't go down. Tower went boom. It's okay. Didn't know how I was gonna eat it anyways. It's still gonna taste great. I'm just gonna de-layer in a normal burger. Put more there. True burger style today. That's a burger tower. That's an Uncle Drew burger. Boom. Oh. Boom. Messy as all heck, but it's fantastic.